Hello students, now the video starts. The NEET series. NEET series an important part. NEET questions, NEET exam is in front of you, which is going ahead and ahead. But we are now trying to give so many important questions for this examination. So my first question is, what is number of moles of oxygen atoms? Number of moles of oxygen atoms in 126 AMU of HNO3. HNO3 is a nitric acid and HNO3 amount is 126 AMU HNO3. It means you know that according to 126 AMU HNO3 molecule, when singly it is to be denoted. For single molecule, it is in AMU. For single molecule, it is in AMU. That is, you know that 126 AMU, 1 AMU is equal to 1 by Na. Na means Avogadro number. Na means Avogadro number. The value of AMU, you must decide that, you must conclude that 1 AMU is equal to the reciprocal of this number 1 upon 6.022 or 23 into 10 raised to power 23. It is Avogadro number. The reciprocal of Avogadro number is that is 1 AMU means this 1 AMU means 1 upon Na. 12 into 1 upon Na. 1 upon Na is the part. Okay. Means HNO3 is about 126 AMU. 126 AMU means 126 AMU. AMU is 1 upon Na. 126 upon Na gram HNO3. 126 AMU means 126 upon Na grams. It is a given mass. Given mass of that HNO3. Given mass of HNO3 is 126 upon Na. Convert this given mass into mole. Convert this given mass into mole. You know that mole of HNO3 is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Molar mass of HNO3 is 63. Molar mass of HNO3 is 63. Then given mass is 126 upon Na. Molar mass is 63. The answer is 2 by Na. 2 by Na moles of HNO3. But you are not, the question you that mole of HNO3. How many moles of HNO3? Question is number of moles of oxygen atoms in 126 AMU of HNO3. Means 1 mole HNO3 means how much oxygen 1 mole HNO3, how much moles of oxygen, number of moles, how much 1 mole HNO3 means 3 mole oxygen, 3 mole oxygen. You are having mole of HNO3 2 by Na. 1 मोल के लिए अगर 3 मोल ऑक्सीजन है तो आपको क्या होगा 2 upon Na HNO3 2 upon Na mole HNO3 it gives 3 into 2 divided by Na 6 upon Na. In this question the concept is AMU 1 AMU is equal to 1 upon Na gram. Reciprocal of this number 126 AMU means 126 by Na gram. It is given mass of HNO3. From this given mass of HNO3, dividing molar mass, it gives 2 by Na mole. 1 mole of HNO3 according to our formula, stoichiometric formula HNO3. 1 mole, you are considering 1 mole, 3 moles of oxygen are there. 3 moles of oxygen are there. 1 mole, 3 moles of oxygen. And these 3 moles of oxygen means this 3 into 2 by Na. 2 by Na के लिए कितना? 1 mole के लिए 3 mole, 2 by Na के लिए कितना? तो 6 by Na. It is our answer. Okay, the first answer in the next series. We will go towards second question. The second question is, see here, total number of neutrons present in 54 ml H2O liquid. Total number of neutrons present in 54 ml H2O liquid. Answer A, 24 Na, 2 Na, 20 Na, Na. How many total number of neutrons are present? You know that neutron in water, H and O. Hydrogen not contains a neutron because 1 and 1 proton is there. There is no neutron at all, 0 neutron. 1 proton plus neutrons are placed at the upper side. Suppose X is an atom, here Z is atomic number, A is mass number indicates Z plus N, Z repeats here, and one type of neutron is to be added. This is nucleon, number of nucleon, which indicate atomic mass. तो ये 1 यहाँ पे रिपीट हो तो 1 plus 0 होगा, ये 1 यहाँ पे 1 plus 0 होगा, no neutrons. 816 means 8 plus 8 means 8 neutrons are there in water. In water 8 neutrons are there, means you are taking so much, 1 mole of H2O. 1 mole of H2O gives 8 neutrons. 1 mole, if you are taking 1 mole H2O, then it is equivalent to 8 neutrons. 8 neutrons are there. But you are having 54 milliliter. 54 milliliter water. Density of water is 1. If 1 ml water means 1 gram water. 1 ml water means 1 gram water. Then 1 liter water means 1 kg water, because density is equal to mass per unit volume. Mass and volume both are same, then density is 1. If density is 1, then your volume is equivalent to mass. This 54 ml water equivalents to 54 gram water. ये तो सिंपल है बेटा. 54 ml water equivalents to 54 gram water. No doubt. 54 ml, 54 gram. 54 gram water means how much moles? Given mass, mole is equal to concept. Do not go sideways to the concept. Concept is important. Mole is equal to 54 gram divided by 18 gram. These 3 is the 3 mole. 3 mole H2O. 3 mole H2O. These 8 neutrons are there. This is for 1 mole of H2O. 8 neutrons are there. 1 mole of H2O, it means that you are not considering total mole. It is you are considering 1 particle. 8 neutron के लिए 1 particle. और 1 mole के लिए आपको लेना है तो कितने पार्टिकल 1 मोल में होते हैं उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा Na से. 1 particle H2O आपने लिया था. 1 particle H2O gives 8 neutrons. But you are taking 1 mole H2O. When you are taking 1 mole H2O, then how many particles are there? Na particles are there. Na particles are there means that neutron is multiplied with Na. यहाँ पर कितने मोल है? 3 मोल. 1 मोल के लिए 8 Na. For 1 mole, 8 Na neutrons. Na number of particles. For 3 mole, 8 into 3 Na neutrons. It is 24 Na is the answer. जब भी आंसर आएगा तब आपको फ्रेंडली लगेगा केमिस्ट्री. The friendly chemistry is important. Your confidence, the boosting of confidence is important. Now my total work concentrated toward this video show. Who cannot afford classes outside, you must attend, you must solve these types of questions. Questions related with the concept. Concept is means one particle H2O. One particle H2O consists of 8 neutrons. 1 mole H2O consists of 8 into how many particles are there? Na. Value of Na आपको लेना नहीं है. Value of Na, if you are putting value of Na means Avogadro number. This Avogadro number is somewhat difficult part. So see here, we are going to approach towards next question. Total number of neutrons present in 54 ml H2O liquid. 24 Na is the answer. 1 mole of H2O means one particle consists of 8 neutrons. 1 mole consists of 8 neutrons into Na. पार्टिकल, एक पार्टिकल के लिए 8 न्यूट्रॉन, हाइड्रोजन में न्यूट्रॉन नहीं है, 2 हाइड्रोजन होते हुए भी 0 न्यूट्रॉन, 8 न्यूट्रॉन्स आर देयर. 1 मोल 8 Na and 3 mole 8 into 3 Na 24 Na. Yes. अगले वीडियो, अगले क्वेश्चन के लिए रेडी. In this video the third question is 20 gram of ideal gas contains only atoms of sulfur and oxygen, occupies 5.6 liter. Volume of the gas containing sulfur and oxygen is given to you 5.6 liter at 1 atmosphere, 273 Kelvin. What is molecular weight or molar mass? 64, 80, 50. It is an ideal gas. Only atoms of sulfur and oxygen. Okay. Sulfur and oxygen containing SO3, SO2, such type of gas is there. Sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, etc. But its volume is important part, 5.6 liter. And the condition is 1 atmosphere and 273 Kelvin. That is STP condition. STP condition means temperature 273 and pressure 1 atmosphere. At STP condition, you know that 22.4 liter of any gas, 22.4 liter of any gas consists of 1 mole. 1 mole, and 1 mole equivalent to its molar mass. इतना भी मोलार मास है, मोलार मास और गिवन मास सेम है. If molar mass and given mass is same, then this is 1 mole of gas. 22.4 liter of any gas, which is 1 mole, and 1 mole of gas equivalent to molar mass. 22.4 के लिए आपके पास 5.6 लीटर है. You are given 5.6 liter. 22.4 में 11.2 liter of any gas equal to 1/2 mole. And 5.6 liter of any gas OA equivalent to 1/4 mole. Okay, 1/4 mole. 1/4 mole. Here 20 gram is given mass and 1/4 mole is mole of gas. Mole, you know that mole is equal to given mass, given mass divided by molar mass. आपके पास मोलार मास नहीं है, मोलार मास पूछा है. You must decide what is molar mass or molecular weight. तो molar mass equal to given mass divided by mole. What is given mass बच्चों? 20 ग्राम. जब ये सॉल्व होता है तो अच्छा लगता है. 20 ग्राम. मोल 1/4. तो आंसर क्या होगा? 80 is our answer. Molar mass is 80. Okay, good luck. Next questions in next video. Thank you. Myself Arun Bhange in Parbhani. Okay, thank you.